starting from raw wooden molding profiles. After the operator places the molding profile into the machine, the automatic feeding system starts working. The pressure rollers hold the material firmly, ensuring stable transportation and consistent sanding performance. First, the bottom sanding belt processes the lower surface of the workpiece, removing uneven areas and machining marks. Then, the large upper sanding will perform fine finishing, creating a smoother and more uniform surface. The machine is equipped with side sanding units that process both left and right surfaces independently. This multi-directional sanding design improves edge finishing and meets the requirements of various decorative profiles. During the final processing stage, the upper and lower sanding units operate simultaneously to complete full surface finishing. Multiple sanding heads work together to improve production efficiency while maintaining stable surface quality.